and welcome to my portfolio. In this video, I'll be showing you ScoreZapp. ScoreZapp is an Android app which currently runs on all versions 4.0 and above. It is built to keep score in games and is designed to be simple and versatile enough for a wide range of games such as board games, card games, dice games, tabletop games, and so on. ScoreZapp also includes a series of tools and features that help you in your games, such as a timer, random coin flips and dice rolls, a record of the match's history, and the ability to save your progress. Before I show you the app, please bear in mind that the footage is recorded from an emulator. This means the video may not represent the actual performance of the app. Also, to make it easier to see the app working, I have locked it into landscape mode. This is not currently possible in the published app. Let's take a look at the app. When we open ScoreZapp, we'll see our main menu. At the top is our score sheet. Underneath we have some of our tools, such as a coin flip, dice roll, the timer, and the file manager. Coin flips, dice rolls, and the timer are included within the score sheet. This means you can use them within your game. The file manager keeps track of any saved games you currently have. We'll take a look at the tools later, but for now I'll show you the score sheet. When we first open our score sheet, it defaults to 2 players. If we start a game now, the starting score will also be 0. We can change these settings in the options menu. ScoreZapp currently supports up to 10 players at once, and any starting score you want. Each of these players can also be individually named. Now let's start the game. So here's all our players, starting with 8,000 points. To change the score, we tap a player, enter in the amount to change the points by, then tap the plus button to add them, or minus buttons to take them away. Let's just make a few changes. So we now have a range of different scores for our players. So now let's take a look at some of our tools. When using a score sheet, you can also access your device's calculator. This can be useful for when you need to quickly work out the final result of an action taken in-game. There's also the coin flips and the dice rolls. You can flip up to 10 coins or roll up to 10 dice at the same time. and the results are all as random as possible. You can also do reflips and rerolls if necessary. For dice, you can have up to as many as 21 faces. You can also choose whether the values on your dice start at 0 or 1. Let's also see the timer. So the timer has two modes. You can keep track of time. This can be paused, restarted, and stopped. You can also have the countdown timer, where you set a period of time and it will count down from there. Your device will vibrate once time is up. Let's see some of our options now. So we have our match history. This shows us every step of the way from where we started to where we are now. We can tap on any of these points to see the state of the game back then. We can then make the game go back to that point. This means you can keep track of how the game has changed and undo any errors quickly. You can then carry on from this point. We can also save our current game. Give it a unique file name. So that if we have to leave our match, and come back later on, we can do so. It even keeps track of our history for us. You can save multiple games this way. We can also just restart the match completely. So let's just go back to our main menu for a second. So in our file manager, we can see our save game. Currently the only option we have is to delete it. The tools work in the same way that they did in the score sheet, but they now appear as a full screen view. They can still be customized to fit your needs. I also provide a help sheet for each score sheet and tool available. These will show you how to use the app and its tools, so you can always refer to them if you're not sure what to do. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to give ScoreZapp a go, it's available on the Google Play Store. I'll also provide a link to the app in the video description. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Goodbye for now.